In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email campaign in Klaviyo. First, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account, then head over to your main dashboard. This is your home base in Klaviyo, where you can see overall performance and navigate to everything else. From here, look for the option labeled Campaigns in the main navigation menu and click on it. This is where all of your one-off email sends will live, like promotions, announcements, or newsletters. On the campaigns page, you'll see a list of any existing campaigns. To create a new one, click on Create Campaign. Klaviyo will now ask you to set up some basic details. Start by typing in a clear campaign name. This name is internal only, so choose something descriptive that will make sense later, like Spring Sale Newsletter or New Product Launch. Next, choose Single Channel. Since we're focusing on an email-only campaign here, this option keeps things simple and straightforward. Once that's selected, click Continue to move on. Now you'll choose who should receive this email. Click on Select a list or segment. You'll see your available lists and segments appear. Take a moment to pick the one that matches your goal, whether it's all subscribers, recent purchases, or a specific interest group. Click on the list or segment you want to target, then click Next. On the next screen, you'll set up the email content basics. Type in your subject line and preview text. The subject line is what your audience sees first in their inbox, so make it clear and compelling. The preview text appears right after the subject line and can add extra context or a secondary hook. Below that, you'll see available templates. Click on the template you want to use. This might be a branded template you've already created, or one of Klaviyo's pre-built designs. Once you've found the right one, click Use Template. After you've customized your content in the editor, click Next to move on to scheduling. On the scheduling page, click on Schedule or Send. Here you decide when this campaign will go out. Open the Fixed Send Time dropdown and choose whether you want a single fixed send time or a gradual send over several hours, which can help manage traffic to your site. Click on the date field to choose the day, then the time field to pick the exact time you'd like the email to be sent. Next, click on the time zone field and choose either your recipient's local time zone or a specific region's time zone, depending on where your audience is. Once everything looks right, click on Schedule Message. Your email campaign is now set up and scheduled to send in Klaviyo.